In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to book Airbnb with Klarna. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find the option to pay with Klarna when you book Airbnb locations. It is going to be an option when you reach checkout, but keep in mind that it is very limited. To figure out if you can use Klarna for a specific stay, all that you have to do is proceed to checkout. So browse through all of the options, and once you reach checkout, you will be able to look through the payment options available for a specific location that you chose. So this is going to work for any location that you see available on Airbnb, but like I said, you will have to check individually. So once you select the stay, any of the available locations, check the check-in date, checkout date, the amount of guests, and then click reserve. Now, in here is where you will be able to see if you can use Klarna. You will notice that for this specific location, they have the option to pay this amount now with credit card, PayPal, or Google Pay, or split the payment where we can pay an amount now and then the rest later. However, you can clearly notice that there is no mention of Klarna. If Klarna was available for this location, it would be listed right underneath. So I'm showing you as an example of how it looks like on screen. So if Klarna was available, all that you would have to do is select it from the list of available payment options. Usually it would be right under this part here, pay now, pay part later. But because it isn't available, that means that the owner of that location probably disabled Klarna as one of the available payment options. Like I said, it is incredibly rare to find the option to pay with Klarna, but if you do see it, you will be able to proceed and use it, just like the example that I'm showing you on screen. Because I wasn't able to find a property that has Klarna enabled, I won't be able to show you how it looks in full, but as soon as you select Pay monthly with Klarna, you will be able to proceed to checkout and finish your booking as usual. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy or book Airbnb with Klarna. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.